Okay, guys. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys. This is Dark Soul Keto, by the way, and today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make perfect. Oh my god! Soup without a microwave or a stove and that boring crap. So yeah, looks good. Okay, now I used this shit. And yeah, so all you're gonna do is you're gonna need tin foil or a plate that you can use to cover the top. So you're just gonna grab a bowl. You're gonna grab like a shrimp, chile, whatever soup you want. And you're just gonna grab a bowl, pour it on there. Now you're just gonna put some, as you can see there, there's hot water. You're gonna put until it fills up. And then you're just gonna put the tin foil on top of it. Just like leave it there for like around 5 minutes or so, and just check if it feels good. If it tastes good, just grab the flavor, open it, pour it in, and enjoy your meal. That's all I'm gonna be doing for you guys today. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye. Subscribe to my channel.